Some people explore the city on Sundays, others focus on being as productive as possible, and some just want to rest. But what if you could do all of that in just one day? Let's find out. Guess what I just did? I am on the road, and let me tell you, this isn't just any ordinary trip. The place we are heading to has a vibe that's hard to put into words. It's one of those places you have to experience to believe. I can't wait to show you what I'm talking about, but for now, let's just say it's far from your usual Sunday outings. The views are breathtaking of this place, and the journey itself is worth every moment. We stopped by at this place to take some photos and videos, which turned out really nice. So this place is called Chand Bibi and it's 13 kilometers away from Nagar. Welcome to this incredible place that feels like a step back in time. ये चारों तरफ से greenery से surrounded है and it is even more magical this morning. It was all fog in the atmosphere. I couldn't resist capturing the beauty of this place in photos. It's the perfect blend of history and nature, inviting you to pause and reflect. Let's take a closer look at what makes this place so special. I captured the nature sound there to share with you so that you can experience the same atmosphere just as I did. Look at the fog. I would not have been able to witness this if I didn't woke up at 5 today. I was completely enchanted by this place. I felt so at peace and I didn't want to leave. It was hard to say goodbye to such a beauty, but as much as I wanted to stay, we had to move on. This experience is one I will cherish, and I am grateful to have shared it with you. Side effects of roaming around here. I will need to wash them as soon as I get back to hostel. It's around 11 a.m. abhi. I just came back home and now it's time to complete my weekly task. Let's start with changing the bed sheets. There is something refreshing about changing your bedsheet. It's like a mini reset of your space and mind. I felt energized and a clean, inviting space sets the tone for productivity. Don't you think? Now it's time to clean all my devices. It's been a long time मैंने cleaning नहीं किया इनको, so let's start with the iPad case. It was high time to give my electronic devices a much needed attention. I am wiping my iPad case, and my phone and the phone cover, making sure everything is spotless. It's amazing how these small things can contribute to a more productive mindset. I feel really tired right now, but अभी इस वक्त अगर मैंने अपना फ़ोन डीक्लटर करना शुरू नहीं किया तो I won't be able to film any further, so that's the first and foremost thing जो अभी मुझे करनी पड़ेगी. Hopefully I will be able to buy a camera soon so that I can film everything that I do on my phone as well. क्योंकि अगर अभी मेरे पास कैमरा होता तो मैं कैसे फ़ोन डीक्लटर कर रही हूँ मैं वो भी दिखा पाती, but that's not happening now. I have been procrastinating about doing this, but it's high time. Let's begin. Guess what I just did? स्टोरेज तो क्लियर कर लिया ऑफ कोर्स, बट वो करते करते
मैंने थोड़ी सी झपकी भी ले ली।
एंड आई ऑल्सो हैड माई लंच आफ्टर दैट मेस पे जाके, एंड जो कि मैं अब अच्छा खासा सो चुकी हूँ, फ़ोन डिक्लटर कर लिया है. द ओनली थिंग विच आई हैवंट डन टुडे इज स्टडिंग, सो इट्स टाइम टू डू दैट. स्टेप 1, गेट आउट ऑफ द बेड. There's this newly set thing over here by the hostel owner. Let's set up this place. Some of you may find this thoda sa funny, but as you can see, I am diving into the creative side of things now and recording a voiceover for my YouTube video. This is the template I will be working with. Let's start weekly journaling today. डेली जर्नलिंग करना मेरे लिए थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है, सो आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट वीकली जर्नलिंग एवरी संडे. लेट्स सी कब तक मैं इसे कंटिन्यू कर पाती हूँ. Now it's time to enjoy some music. There is nothing quite like the perfect soundtrack to enhance a moment. As I unwind, I want you to join me in this vibe. Whether you are working, relaxing, or just enjoying your Sunday, let the rhythm take over. Well, how can I end my Sunday without watching my favorite K drama? Let's enjoy this together. If you watched till here, comment Sunday so that I can know that you are the real one. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Loads of love.